In this online cupboard and kitchen design workshop, I'm going to teach you to design your projects on the computer. Check out a few of the projects that I've completed since 2013. And they've all been designed on the software that I'm going to teach you how to use in this workshop. Why join this workshop? You don't have to purchase any additional software. It all comes included, and I'm going to teach you principles of practical design. What makes an amazing cupboard and what makes a practical kitchen. Learn about the components that make up cupboards and kitchens. We're going to discuss materials and hardware used in these projects. You're going to learn to design your project and present it professionally to your clients and save time on quoting and cutting lists. And you're going to simply enjoy the process more, whether you're doing a project for a client or for yourself.